Hi guys, welcome back. I'm pretty much sure you have done some basic example. You have done some basic training. Maybe you have done examples, some practice about functions, and then you have an idea of what function are. Now that in the previous video we did an introduction to function, let us look at a bit deeper on how you can work around functions. So we first looked at functions can take an argument. What if maybe we want let me just delete that. So let's say here you want to have a function that calls for two arguments. So we can say it's good to use comments, uh, good to use comments in your code. So we want to define a function. Remember how? And the function we can say mm, uh, uh, we can define hello function like that, and then the hello function we said we want to print something like uh, mm, hi, welcome. Okay, now we saw that you can call a function, you can call a function by just saying maybe hello function like that, and then if you print this one it just tells you hi, welcome. But because we want to make things a little bit interesting, we want now functions here to take two arguments. We can say we want to collect the name and age, and then we want to say now here we'll say hi, and then we say name. Yes, we say hi name, and then welcome. Let's say come welcome. Then we say you remember what we said when you want to use a quote inside that you are then we also want to give the age, but because age is going to be an integer, so we have to convert it into string first. So we convert age into string, and then we continue, and then say years old, like that. So here we are taking now the we say if we run this, we're gonna have an error which says it's missing two required arguments, simply because we are calling the functions minus the argument. Now let us give out the arguments. We can say John, and then argument here we say 25. So if we run this code now, I say hi John, welcome, you are 25 years old. Okay, so how about we make this a bit interesting, by making it a bit interesting. We want to get the user input, we want to get these values from the user. Okay, and how do you get that? We can have name, we get input from the user, and the user, now we can ask the user to give us the name. You can say enter your name, like that. Then we can also get the age from the user, and say if you want to be count, you can also say please enter your age. Don't know, for those guys who are kind, what can I say about this? Those who are unkind. All right, back to this. Now here we have gotten the user input from the user. Now here, when you're calling the function, we can just call the function as it is. and this one to be age, like that. So let us clear this and let's see if it will throw any errors that we can address. Good, it hasn't. So it is asking for our name, so we can use any name. You can say even Mark, and then we put Mark's age. You can say 30. You see, hi Mark, welcome, you are 30 years old. So this is just how maybe you can make the function interactive and how you can call the function. Now you can have a bunch of many functions that you can have in your code and make things interesting. Now from this point onwards, you can practice a lot, understand what you can do with this code, and you can even expand the function. You can have more details and stuff like that. But guys, this is it. So in the next lesson, we're gonna look at the loop statements and understand what you can learn from that. If you are new, kindly watch our previous videos and catch up. And also remember to subscribe. Let's make this channel engaging, and let's be willing to learn. The future is data, and data is analytics. So Python is important. Let's learn only code. Bye bye.